Yeah, this is what my hair look like. Oh my gosh, like, ugh. So I guess we're just gonna be making a video like this. But if I don't like the video, should I make the video like this or like this, like this, like this, like this? Because first of all, okay, okay. Should I let up the window, get some sun in here? Hold on. I don't know, kind of iffy because my hair is not dead. Like, I just woke up this morning and did this too. Well, I ain't do nothing to it. I just took it out the ponytail. Let me see if I can take this off. What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing on my Nike Air Force 1's women's. Anyways, first of all, before we get into the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. And also, the reason why I have not been on here for like a month is because school be making, and I know it's not an excuse, but school be making, I'm gonna be making my hair all freaking the video. But because school is back in and all this homework, accelerated English, it's a lot for your girl. So from time Monday to Friday, I'm working like on my heart. But sometimes I just be asleep because I need my sleep. Because school has been tiring your girl out. That's why I ain't been on here. Another reason, I was sick for like a while. And I didn't feel like making no video. That's not an excuse. But I'm sorry that I have not been on this yet. I'm sorry. Okay. Anyways, I'm back and I'm better. And I'm with my cross shirt today. Y'all can see my hair flying everywhere. But that's okay. Let's get right. No, one more thing. I also tried making videos, but I didn't like how they turned out. So I was like, forget it. It was making me frustrated. But anyways, let's get on into this video. So what we have here today is my Nike Air Force 1's. And I done had some of these before, but they was like high top, and high top is not. I messed them up because I know how to take our shoes back then, but now I do a little bit. But anyways, once you open the box, shoe.
When I come from the gym, some clothes.
Okay. I see how I do that. Hold on, guys.
I'm going to kick his ass.
Okay. Sorry, but oh my god, I hate when you open my door, because when you open my door, you don't close it all the way back. You open the door, close it the way you opened it. But anyways, here go the shoes. How did let's go. Okay, anyways, let me get the one with that smudge on there. Here's the shoe, and yes, this part is thick. These are the new women's kind. I got these on Tax Free Weekend. They was $100 on the dot. So yeah, here's the shoe. Yes, I have already been wearing these. That's why I said, let me look. You can tell I've been wearing these. So yeah, the thing is still in there, cause I'm trying to treat my shoes. I love these shoes. Let me show y'all the other one. Don't get on me. I have to clean them off. But look, I already did this. Oh. But that's because I see with my feet like these really cool. Well, I can't describe it. But what else was I saying? All the other Air Force 1's besides these got like, I can't describe it. But this is like a block. And it's not like how all the other ones is. But yeah, they're the same. I'm not gonna show y'all too much of this shoe. I gotta clean that one off. But yeah, I have worn these. These are my go-to shoes. I have worn these for pretty good, what's it called? I don't even know what I'm talking about. Is the camera? I don't know. Maybe it's the shoe. Yeah, cause these just icy white. My hair, it's just messing up. But yeah, I don't wear these shoes for since the beginning of the school year. Not every day, but like every other day maybe. Because I mean, they go with everything. White goes with everything. So yeah, here are my shoes. Now I gotta get a thumbnail, but I don't know what my thumbnail could be. Let's see how they be having them shoes up on Instagram. This the one with the smudge on there. Let's put this one back. Put this one down. And I'm just like, ah! How would I take a thumbnail without showing this stupid smudge? See the smudge still on it. Turn it to this. Oh! Maybe like this then. Oh, hold on. It's sun down here. Y'all should have filmed the video down here. Wait, no. What happened? Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. I don't know what happened. Yeah, that was some good sun. But anyways, before this video get way too long over some shoes, I just want to say I'm sorry again that I have not been on here for a month. But I will start back posting once I jot down me some ideas to write, post about. And yeah, like, subscribe, comment down below on this video. And I will see y'all in the next video. Excuse my hair. And we out. No, I'm too hyper. I don't care. It's my channel. And I'm hyper like that. And I'm goofy like that. And we out. We out. We out. We out. Go get y'all pretty shoes. Bye. Oh, there go the sun again. Maybe with these shoes, it... Yeah, bro. Let me get off here. Okay, yeah. Don't forget, like I said, go like, subscribe, comment down below. Share this video. Tell everybody else about this video. We out. Bye.